Hi, I'm Craig Phillips. I'd like to introduce you to the Wagner W-600 Cordless Paint Sprayer. It uses the Bosch Power for All 18-volt battery system with its proven market-leading technology. You can use one battery across multiple devices, which is part of the Bosch Alliance. This saves you money and is better for the environment. The W-600 Flexio is a true universal sprayer for all your interior and exterior wood, metal, wall and ceiling projects. It comes with both the eye spray and wooden metal extra attachments. The cordless sprayer really can be taken anywhere you need it, now that you're totally free from cables. It has a powerful brushless motor for high performance and increased battery life. The W-600 Cordless Sprayer is best suited for small to medium-sized projects. With just one fully charged 18-volt battery, you can spray 20 square meters of wall emulsion, or 30 meters of fence treatment, or even 9 internal doors. Being battery powered, you can use the sprayer indoors or outdoors, wherever you might struggle to get power to. The W-600 Cordless Sprayer works with a wide range of Wagner accessories. See the full range on our website and choose the one for your project. If you enjoyed this sort of content, then please like and subscribe for future Wagner videos.